Dear students, welcome to your on class chemistry with mind. Namaskar. Today we will study some basic concepts in chemistry. Basic concepts like what is the matter, classifications of matter, what is the element, compound, mixture, etc. So we will study one by one. Let us start. Some basic concept in chemistry. So first we will study matter. What is the matter? Matter is anything which occupy spaces or which have mass and whose presence can be felt by one or more of our five senses. That is called matter. So matter is anything which occupy spaces, possess mass, and whose presence can be felt by one or more of our five senses. So what are the five senses? First one is ear, second one is eyes, third one is nose, fourth one is taste, and fifth one is touch. So these are five senses. If by any one or more than one senses, if we are feeling the presence of anything, that is called matter. So now come to the states of matter. States of matter. Matter can exist in three things, in three states. First one is solid, second one is liquid, third one is gas. Solid, liquid, and third one is gas. Now there is one classification on the basis of their composition. So on the basis of their composition, matters are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So what is the homogeneous and what is the heterogeneous? Let us see. First, homogeneous matter. After that we will study heterogeneous matter. What is the homogeneous matter? Any substance which have uniform composition throughout and exist only in one phase, that is called homogeneous matter. So any substance which have uniform composition throughout, uniform composition throughout and exist in only one phase, that is called homogeneous matter. Now come to the heterogeneous matter. What is the heterogeneous matter? If any substance which have non-uniform composition and exist in more than one phase, that is called heterogeneous matter. Heterogeneous matter. It is any substance which have no uniform composition and have more than one phase. More than one phase means if exist in more than one phase, then that is called heterogeneous matter. Now there is one chemical classification also, chemical classification of matter. By means of chemical classification, matters is of two types. One is pure substance and another is mixture. So that also we will study one by one. Chemical classification. Matter. There is two types. First one is pure substance and second one is mixture. So first we will study pure substance. What is the pure substance? Pure substance is also of two types. First one is elements, second one is compound. Now come to the mixture. Mixture. What are the mixtures? Correct? Mixture can be combination of more than one type of element and combination of more than one type of compound. So one by one we will study. First we will study the element. So what is the element? So element is the substance which is made up of only one kind of atom, that is called element, and element is type of pure substance, correct, as I have already told you. So element is this substance which is made up of only one kind of atom. And it is the type of pure substance, correct? Second thing, elements are homogeneous in nature. For example of the element is metals, non-metals and metalloids. correct. Now come to compound. First thing, compound is a type of pure substance, correct. Second thing, it is made up of more than one type of element, but that elements or those elements are combined in fixed ratio by weight, that is called compound. It is made up of combination of more than one type of element, in a fixed ratio by weight. Fixed ratio by weight. Now third things, since it is a pure substance, and pure substance means compound is also homogeneous in nature. So homogeneous in nature. Correct. Now come to mixture. What are the mixtures? First thing, since it is a mixture, so it can be homogeneous and heterogeneous also. It can be or maybe. It may be homogeneous, for example solution, correct or not? Solution, or heterogeneous. But what is the mixture? Mixture is combination of more than one type of element or more than one type of compound, that is called mixture. So it is made up of more than one type of element or more than one type of compound. Okay, so this is the story of matter and their different classifications, and what is element, what is the compound, what is homogeneous, what is heterogeneous, and what is the mixtures. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the message box. I will try my best to give you the reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.